Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 price, specifications and features. When Samsung dropped teasers for the Galaxy Z Flip 7, the tech community was in awe. After years of focusing on getting the basics right, Samsung finally signaled that it was ready to iron out the smaller issues. The Flip 7 got rid of its thick bezels on the cover display, offered a bigger battery, used Samsung's latest Exynos chip and cut down the fat from its chassis. This, then, would be the perfect flip phone that money could buy, wouldn't it? Display. The display department laid most of its attention on the phone's cover display. Other than deleting all the bezels around the cover display and having the two main cameras in the punchhole cutouts, Samsung engineers also bumped up the 4.1-inch screen's refresh rate to 120 Hz. The result is a large, expansive cover screen that's smooth to operate. Protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and with a rated peak brightness of 2600 nits, it is easy to use outdoors. The large cover screen doesn't translate into Samsung stuffing as many features and functions as possible. Samsung continues to offer a minimal and sensible UI on the cover display. You get to interact with notifications, respond to texts, glance through widgets and use three crucial apps: WhatsApp, YouTube and Google Maps. Nothing more. Nothing unnecessary. You unfold the main display for all smartphone things. Hey Motorola Razr R&D team, please take note of how not to overdo a fun feature. As for the main display, Samsung expanded it to 6.9 inches and amped up the peak brightness to 2600 nits. As usual, this is a great display for consuming content and scrolling kilometers of social media feeds. The AMOLED panel can dip to very low brightness levels, which aids in pre-sleep browsing reading sessions. The subtle crease doesn't dampen the scrolling experience. Performance. At the launch event, the entire tech fraternity was concerned about the presence of the Exynos 2500 chip. The Exynos 2500 is Samsung's equivalent of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, built on modern 3nm process. Paired with 12 GB of RAM as standard and up to 512 GB of storage, Samsung gives this phone the latest One UI 8 interface based on Android 16. The Exynos 2500 doesn't set the benchmarks on fire, but in real life, it performs just as nicely as the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Handling multi-window multitasking, dual screen previews and all the onboard AI features was almost walk-in-the-park easy for the Exynos chip. The chipset warms up the area around the camera as substantially as the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, but the effects on performance aren't visible. I even tried gaming on the Flip 7 and it kept the frame rates cool, even though it was hot to touch around the metal rails. I couldn't find a situation when I felt the need for a more powerful processor. Samsung promises up to 7 years of OS and security updates, thus leading the industry as far as longevity is concerned. Another noteworthy mention is the loudspeaker quality and the earpiece clarity while taking calls. Cameras. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 largely retains the hardware of its predecessor, featuring a familiar dual-camera setup on the rear, a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Thanks to software-side improvements, the Z Flip 7's camera performance is mighty impressive. Subtle improvements can be observed in detail resolution and exposure settings. Zoomed-in photos show enhanced details, particularly in lower light conditions. Battery and charging. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, despite losing excess fat in its body, managed to stuff a 4300 mAh battery slightly larger than its predecessor. On a busy day that requires unfolding to take calls, check and respond to mails, check maps on the cover display, stream music via Spotify for 3 to 4 hours and occasional photography, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 would end the day with 25% charge remaining. Price. Z Flip 7, Exynos 2500, 12 GB RAM and 512 GB ROM. Starting at 1,21,999 rupees, offers similar camera specs at a targeting budget-conscious premium buyers. Available via Amazon India, Flipkart, Bajaj Mall, or Samsung.com, with instant bank cashback and exchange bonuses.